In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a file attachment button in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Many times when working with PDFs, you might need to provide easy access to additional files, and inserting a file attachment button is a great way to do this. Let's get started with these straightforward steps. First, you'll want to have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC open on your computer. Once it's ready, go to your file and open the PDF document where you intend to add the file attachment button. Adobe PDF is quite robust in handling these tasks, making the following process fairly seamless. Now direct your attention to the global toolbar and locate the All Tools tab. Click on it, and from the variety of options available, select Prepare a Form. Don't worry if this seems like it's related to creating forms specifically. This functionality will actually allow you to access various form elements, including buttons. With the form tools active, you'll notice a new toolbar appears. In this toolbar, find the button icon and click on it. Clicking this icon is a pivotal moment because it's your gateway to creating interactive elements in your PDF. Once selected, you should click and drag your mouse on the PDF document canvas, placing the button in your desired location. Aim for an area that's intuitive for your users to find. After you've placed your button, right-click over it and select Properties from the context menu. This action opens a Properties dialog where you can customize your button. Navigate over to the Options tab within this dialog. Here, it's important to give your button a label name. This label is essentially the text that will appear on the button, clearly identifying its purpose for anyone using your document. Next, move to the Actions tab. This is where you determine what happens when your button is clicked. Under the Select Action drop-down, you'll need to click on Add, moving deeper into setting up the function of this button. From the options, select Acrobat menu, then go through the submenu by choosing View, Show Hide, and then Side Panels. Finally, select Attachments. This ensures that when the button is pressed, the Attachments panel in Acrobat will open, displaying any files attached to the PDF document. Confirm your choices by clicking OK. Now that you've configured the button's action, you can close the Button Properties dialog box by clicking on the Close button. You're almost there. Before wrapping up, it's a good idea to test your newly created button to make sure it performs as intended. You can do this by clicking on the preview at the bottom left corner of your Acrobat window. In this mode, your document behaves as it would for any user, letting you see the button in action. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to integrate a file attachment button into your PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This functionality not only improves the utility of your documents, but also enhances the user experience dramatically.